Sam Babu Gedila, Head of the Department of Biotechnology. I will give presentation on non-distinction of chromosomes. What are the learning objectives? Structure of gene, introduction, monosomy, autosomal trisomy, aneuploidy. The structure of a gene. The hereditary unit which are transmitted from one generation to the next generation are called gene. A gene is nothing but a fundamental biological unit. Mendel factor came to known as a gene. Johansson 1909. These are genes, these are exons. Size of a gene. Gene consists of 1500 nucleotides base pairs and has a molecular weight of 10.6. The hemoglobin has two types of polypeptide chains, alpha and beta chain. The alpha chain is synthesized by gene containing 423 nucleotides. The beta chain is synthesized by gene containing 438 nucleotides. Cistron, the term was coined by Benger. It is a portion of DNA specifying a single polypeptide chain. Muton, it is the smallest length of DNA capable for mutations. A muton consists of a single nucleotide or many nucleotides. Recon, a recon is the smallest unit of DNA capable of recombination. Functions of gene, expression of characters, protein synthesis, inheritance, regulation of gene action. Genetic heterogeneity, the phenomenon in which mutations at different genetic loci produce same result is called a genetic heterogeneity. Example, retinitis pigmentosa. Introduction. The Calvin Bridge and Thomas Hunt Morgan are credited with the discovering of non-distinction in Drosophila melanogaster sex chromosome in the spring in 1910. So, non-distinction is the failure of homologous chromosomes or sister chromatids to separate properly during cell division. Nothing but a failure of homologous chromosomes or sister chromatids during the cell division. It occurs in the man, Drosophila datura. It occurs in the meiosis and meiosis. The non-distinction occurring in meiosis is called meiotic non-distinction. The non-distinction occurring in meiosis is called meiotic non-distinction. The non-distinction occurring in normal organism is called primary non-distinction. The non-distinction occurring in an organism which are results of previous non-distinction is called secondary non-distinction. Syndromes are caused by non-distinction. Syndrome is a disease caused by a group of symptoms. The numerical aberrations, aneuploidy, euploidy. Aneuploids are again two types, hyperploidy, hypoploidy. Hyperploids are again two types, trisomy 2n plus 1, tetrasomy 2n plus 2, hypoploidy again two types, monosomy 2n minus 1, nullisomy 2n minus 2. Euploids are monoploidy n, diploidy 2n, polyploidy 3n and 3n or more than 3. Monosomy 2n minus 1, the loss of single chromosome 2n minus 1, in which daughter cells with the defect with have only one chromosome missing from one of its pair is referred to as a monosomy. Turner syndrome, 22AA plus X is equal to 45. Turner. Absence of one X chromosome, genital disease in females, sexual abnormality in females, chromosomal aberrations. One chromosome is lost from one pair, 2n minus 1. This is a mother and father, 22AA plus XX, 22AA plus XY. Here non-distinction, 22A plus XX, 22A plus O. No chromosomes. Here 22A plus XX, 22A plus Y. Then we are getting daughter, 22AA plus XO. Symptoms: the baby develops into sterile female, She has female phenotypes, but there is no menstruation. Female hormones are very low. Chest is very broad. Breasts are poorly developed. Dwarf, mentally retarded. Trisomy 21, 2n plus 1. A genetic disorder in which a person has 3 copies of chromosome instead of 2. 3 copies of chromosome instead of 2. Down syndrome. 21A plus A plus XX. Down. It is caused by the chromosomal aberrations. It is due to trisomy in 21st pair of autosomes. It is due to 47 instead of 46 chromosome number. 20 is represented by 3 copies, and it is caused by autosomal aneuploidy. 21 minus 20 trisomy. Mother 22AA plus XX. Father 22AA plus XY. A non-distinction 22A plus A plus X. 21A plus X. 22AX. 22A plus the gametes. You are getting daughter 22AA plus A plus XX. Symptoms. The facial features of these victims resemble Mongolian race. The mouth is constantly open and the tongue is protruded. They are mentally retarded. The neck is short and broad. She is dwarf. The nose is oblique. The ears are malformed. Sex chromosome aneuploidy. The term sex chromosome aneuploidy is an abnormal number of sex chromosomes that is other than XX female or XY male. Klinefelter syndrome 22AA plus XXY is equal 47. It is genetically disease caused by an addition X chromosome in male. It is caused by chromosomal aberration. It is caused by aneuploidy where one chromosome is added to a set. 22AA plus XX, 22AA plus XY, non-distinction. Then 22A plus XX, 22A plus O, 22A plus X, 22A plus Y. In F1 we are getting a son 22A plus XXY. Symptoms. They are sterile male. The testes are very small. There is no spermatogenesis. Male sex glands are poorly developed. The breasts are enlarged. They are tall. Male hormone is low.